In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account to Google Drive on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or simply want to access another one, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. So, let's dive right in and get you set up without any hassle. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser. Once there, type in the URL for Google Drive, or simply search for it in your search engine and click on the link that brings you to the right place. You'll find yourself on the home page of Google Drive, which is your central hub for accessing all your files stored in the cloud. Being familiar with this interface is handy, not just for accessing your files, but also for managing your accounts. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a circular profile icon there. This is where you can manage your Google accounts. Click on that profile icon to open up a small menu. This drop down is pretty useful. It shows you which account you're currently signed in with and allows you to switch accounts easily. Next, within this menu, you'll notice an option that says add another account. Click on it. This feature is great for anyone who juggles multiple Google accounts and wants to add another without having to sign out of the current one. Once you click add another account, you're on your way to accessing a whole new set of files and settings. After that, you'll see a new window pop up. It's here that you'll click on use another account. This step ensures you can enter a different set of login credentials, separate from those already associated with the other accounts on your device. Once you hit use another account, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the address of the Google account you want to add. Make sure to double check for typos. Getting the email right the first time saves you time and frustration. After entering your email, click next. Finally, as is standard with Google's security measures, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your password carefully and then click on next again. And there you go, your additional account is set up and now you can switch between them as needed. Adding a new account to Google Drive on your PC is really that simple. With just a few clicks you can manage multiple accounts effortlessly, access files and tools from different accounts, and streamline your workflow. Remember, staying organized is key, especially when managing several accounts. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.